morning sun is rising slow.
Usually you can go down there.
Oh no, it's heavy water.
It's flooded over there.
Flooded.
I'm going to take my jacket off. I'm hot.
Oh my god.
You want to swim there?
It's flooded here in Scioto River. Wow, I never seen like this much water. I hope it won't be so bad because guys, we are at the Leatherlips Park.
See that?
And you see that giant stone monument is a 12-foot tall limestone sculpture of Leatherlips. Why I call it Leatherlips? Because he is a Native American. History was a respected Yandot leader known for keeping his word. Settlers reportedly said his word was as strong as leather, which led to his English nickname Leatherlips. So this is a little history of the place. And the monument was intentionally designed so visitors can climb inside and look out toward the Scioto River sunsets and the park amphitheater. The river valley views are one of the best photo spots in Dublin. So right now there was a big storm the last week, and we were just driving around, and I told Mike I wanted to see the park again, but then this is what we saw. At least it's not that heavy. And after a while, it's gonna slow down. Oh, look at that geese or the ducks. So, enjoy, guys.
I had to take my glasses off. I couldn't read.
That's okay. Honey, smile. Smile, darling. Hi. Hi. Oh, sing.
Wherever the road goes, that's where I'll be.
Still chasing
In the water. See the ducks?
wherever the road goes, through sunshine or rain. Every mile together is a memory made. As long as we're riding, our hearts will be free. Wherever the road goes, that's home to me.